Hey everyone! If you're outside the United States and wondering how to access Grok AI in 2026, this guide will show you the steps that actually work. First, open the X app or visit grok.com or x.ai in your browser. Grok's integrated right there as the AI chat tool. Next, sign in to your X account, or create one if you haven't yet. It's free and takes just a minute. Once you're in, find Grok in the sidebar or under the menu. Sometimes it's hidden under More depending on your interface. Now here's the trick. If Grok isn't available in your country, you can connect to a VPN and choose a server in the United States before refreshing the page. Yeah, that usually unlocks the region-restricted access. Keep in mind, some access levels may still require a Premium Plus subscription in X, so if you see an upgrade prompt, that's why. But basic chat may still work in free or trial modes, and that's it. That's how you can access Grok AI outside the US in 2026. If it helped, hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials.